Welcome back to the tutorial series on zoning report. And in this tutorial, we're going to go over what's included in the PDF. So here, this is the PDF preview as we learned in the previous tutorial. And once we accept the terms of services, and I will purchase a report, and I will blur this out. I have purchased the report, and now I can generate the report. It's gathering all the data. After I purchase it, it gathers all the data from the back end, and now it creates the report. So it has the address, the data was created, and the maximum units allowed. This is a number that's generated by us, so you don't have to do the math. The approximate buildable area. This buildable area is based on this FAR. And then the general information, so what the FAR is, number of stories allowed, lot coverage, minimum lot size, lot area, zoning district, the uses allowed by category. This will be, contingent on how the city presents the data, of course, unit density, hotel density, setbacks, parking requirements by use. There's some footnotes that will be leading to more information in the zoning if it's available, and our own footnotes that might be helpful for some of the values. So, for example, how do we do max units if there is no unit density, and how do we calculate FAR if there is no FAR available, or rather, how do we calculate buildable area if there's no FAR available? So with that, also, please print or download, preferably download the report, because once you close it, since you don't have an account, we will not store these reports. So you will lose the report unless you store it yourself. So please download the report, and then you have this report forever. Get in touch if you have any questions. Thank you very much for listening to our tutorial series. And the next one, we'll talk about how to get unlimited reports.